Chicken popcorn has many variants. Today I'm going to show you easy method to make crispy chicken popcorn at home. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special chicken popcorn. For this recipe here I'm taking 500 grams of boneless chicken breast meat. Cut the meat into 2 cm cubes. Don't cut more than 1 inch size. After cutting, drop the meat into a bowl. Now in another bowl, take 150 grams of curd. To this add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kasuri Methi or mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and salt to taste. Now mix all the ingredients. After all the ingredients combined well, add the curd mixture to the chicken pieces. Now coat the chicken pieces with the curd mixture evenly. When all the pieces coated evenly, add half lemon juice and mix. Now cover with stretch film or keep in airtight container and refrigerate for minimum 4 hours. After 4 hours, take out the chicken. In another bowl, take 100 grams of all-purpose flour and 50 grams of corn flour. Now mix both flours well. Now drop the chicken pieces in the flour. In another bowl, take enough water and add some ice cubes in it. Now coat the chicken with flour. When the flour is coated evenly, take out the chicken pieces and dip in the ice water for 2-3 seconds. Take out and drop back in the flour. Now again coat the chicken pieces with the flour. This double coating will give thick crispy out layer to the chicken pieces. When flour is coated evenly, drop the chicken pieces into hot oil and fry them on a medium flame. If you keep gas on high flame, outside color will become dark and inside chicken will not cook well. When chicken pieces turn to golden brown color, take out from the oil. That's it, our crispy chicken popcorn is ready. Serve them hot with ketchup or mayonnaise.